Oh hey,
Welcome to
Ask Smile.
The hashtag is silent. I'm Sharn,
And I'm Daniela.
and we make up the community team here at Smile. And if you follow us on TikTok, you'll know about our other team member, Bad Boy Bill. But he's currently very busy sleeping, so he sends his regards.
Ask Smile is a new video series where you ask us questions.
Like the title suggests.
And we answer them. This first episode's theme is Loyalty 101.
Last month, we crowdsourced for all your burning questions on loyalty program basics, and we got some good ones. Let's dive in.
Our first question comes from Anonymous. How do I make sure I'm not giving away too much?
This is a great question and a common worry for small businesses. You want to reward your customers, but you don't want to feel like you're losing too much in the process.
What it really comes down to is your specific business, your margins, your average order value bag, and your price points, etc.
You need to examine all of those metrics before you start your loyalty program, so then you can figure out how much of a percentage you can give back to your customers and then configure your rules from there. What we found works best are programs that give back at least 3% of an order. So what that means is if a customer spent $100, they get back the equivalent of $3 in points.
But remember, what works best for you and your store may be different.
Okay, our next question is from Anonymous also. I wonder if they know each other. Anyway, the question is setting up a VIP program worth it?
So if you're just getting started as a brand, going from zero to full-fledged VIP might be a bit much.
Just a bit. VIP programs work best when you really know what motivates your customers, so you can build all those cool perks and tiers to perfectly suit your customers' wants.
So our advice would be is to start small, figure out what your customers engage with, and then build your loyalty strategy from there. Question 3 from another Anonymous.
That name's really popular, isn't it?
The question is, how do I make my rewards program easy for customers to find?
Love this question because it doesn't matter how cool your name is, how great your perks are, if your customers can't find your program on your website. To help us break it down even more, we've got our very own Senior Manager of Marketing and Community, Tim. Take it away, Tim.
Thanks, Sharn. You know the saying, out of sight, out of mind, right? If your customers don't know your program exists, it's going to be hard for them to get involved. So having an always visible loyalty launcher is one of the best ways to make sure that anyone on your site knows about your program. And then don't forget to include loyalty info in all of your other marketing campaigns too. Social posts, website banners, dedicated emails. You can even connect your loyalty account to your email provider to include cool details like your customers' points balances in all of your regular marketing emails. Back to you.
Okay, our final cue comes from, guess who?
Stephanie?
No, Anonymous.
That makes more sense. They ask, what should I look for to tell if my program is successful? Now, it's super important to know if your loyalty program is working and working well. That way you can keep doing what's working well and tweak what isn't.
Well, first off, the basics. Are customers signing up for your program and are they using it? If you answer no to these questions, then you need to reevaluate how your program is built and how you're marketing it.
Second, you want to see if your program is positively impacting your business. The best way to do this is through analytics comparison. You want to look at your store data from a set period of time from before you launched your program, that's your baseline, and compare it to data from after you launched your program. Some metrics you can compare are customer retention rate, points redemption rate, and repeat purchase rate.
And don't forget, you want to keep track of these metrics forever and ever to ensure that your program stays optimized for your customers.
Well, that about does it for episode 1.
We did get a few more cues, but we're going to be answering it somewhere else.
Ooh, do tell.
On our new Discord, we decided to create a new space for small businesses and e-commerce enthusiasts to grow, laugh, share, meme, all the good things in life.
We put the link to the server in the caption, and if you're wondering, what is a Discord and how do I join, we've got a video for that too.
We hope to see you over on Discord.
And if not, we'll be back soon for episode 2 of Ask Smile.